Hello, my name is Joseph Sun. For my project, I will be introducing my restaurant idea that is revolutionary, in a sense, to Saipan. The restaurant idea I'll bring forward to will be named Inferno. For the table of contents, I'll be including the vision and mission statement, locale and community of operations, food and beverage concept, inventory and production, staff management, and marketing idea. For the vision and mission statement, my main goal is to bring forth a new experience for both local and tourists. I plan to introduce new types of food that will help other people connect with each other. The locale. So I chose Garapan as where I'll be having my restaurant stand. The reasoning behind this is due to the accessibility and the parking advantage this location provides, with how most tourists that come to Saipan will visit Garapan for the things it provides. Okay. Some people may wonder why I decided to name my restaurant business as Inferno. I mostly chose this because of my food choice, which I'll be incorporating into most of my types of food, which would be hot Cheetos. And Inferno is a little bit of a tacky name in a sense where people will see it as, oh, it's very hot, or it's just very hot. Okay, and then to go down, so food and beverage concept. The main ingredient I will be using, as mentioned earlier, will be hot Cheetos. Our food will have an incorporation with hot Cheetos, bringing a new fusion between all types of cuisine with it. Most of the menu items will be fried foods incorporated with hot Cheetos. Examples such as hot Cheeto fries, fried chicken, cheese sticks, and etc. Other incorporations such as poke bowls, burritos, sandwiches, and tacos will be on the menu. Just by the menu items, you can tell most of these food items are not a healthy choice. But that is not the goal of my restaurant business. I wanted to provide something that has never been brought to Saipan before, where an idea like this, that is mostly popular in some other places around the world, isn't popular here. Pictures of the foods. For the first picture shown here, this is French fries with hot Cheetos flavoring on top. Second picture is hot Cheetos with burritos. The third picture is hot Cheeto cheese sticks. Fourth one is hot Cheetos battered up hot dogs. The menu concept. Because I believe my type of business won't be sustainable in a restaurant capacity, I believe I wanted to make it into like a restaurant stand, like a food truck, but a little bit bigger. And the menu items will be included like in these pictures. Ingredients. As mentioned before, my number one ingredient will be hot Cheetos. Other ingredients will include things such as potato fries, wraps, different types of cheese, hot dogs, tuna for poke, and etc. Different sources of condiments and spices will also be used. Kitchen tools. Due to how most of my food items will be fried, I will be using fryers, air fryers, mixers, frying equipment, ice cream makers, and etc. Other sorts of equipment I may use are such things as fountain drink machines or a milkshake maker. Staffing. For staffing, ideally there will be 2 wait staff, 3 cooks, and 1 washer. As the owner of my restaurant stand, I'll be handling the finances by being the cashier. As time passes by, I will move to the back while letting the employees handle more responsibility in a financial sense. Management. For management, I'll be following this photo shown here, where in upper management, myself and a partner will be functioning this section. In middle management, I will hire some people to set plans in marketing and overall design of the company. And then in the lower level management, there will be 3 team leaders leading each section, such as cooks and waitstaff. Recruitment. With recruitment, I will be planning to use social media and the applications available with DOL. Examples of social media could be Instagram or Facebook. I will not be discriminating towards age, gender, religion, and etc. Because I believe it is not right to discriminate towards the following. As the restaurant grows, there will be more opportunities for employment where I may expand my business, maybe onto Guam or Tinian, and I'll be needing more workers. Yes. The target market. As you can guess, this types of food isn't really focused onto the older demographic. For my target demographic, I'll be mostly focused on the younger demographic and the tourist population that will be entering Saipan. From my personal experience, I have visited places that most people go to Saipan as a vacation idea. From what I have noticed, most of these Asian countries that I have visited do not have hot Cheetos. So they are very new to the taste and of how they look. Competition. I believe I will be facing other fast food establishments such as McDonald's, KFC, Loco and Taco, and etc. Due to the types of food and the pricing that I'll be providing, it is sure that they will be my competition. Advertisements and promotions. With the help of social media and programs such as the Promo program and advertisements in the tourist manual, I believe this will be suffice enough to be used as advertisements for our restaurant stand. As Saipan is a small island, we will also be giving out local promotions to our fellow locals every Friday in a buy one get one free sort of deal. And this will be the end of my presentation. I hope you all enjoy my idea of what can be revolutionary to Saipan and a new source of income that can be used for tourism in Saipan as well. Thank you.